Dumpster rental service in Rockford, Illinois. Every successful project needs a solid cleanup plan. At ASAP Dumpsters and Demo, we make it easy with our dependable dumpster rental service in Rockford, Illinois. Whether you're handling a residential renovation, commercial build, or large-scale cleanup, we've got the tools to help you manage waste efficiently. We've designed our rental process to be simple, fast, and stress-free. From the moment you contact us, we're focused on helping you get the right dumpster at the right time. With various dumpster sizes, we're equipped to handle everything from basic home cleanouts to heavy-duty demolition debris. No matter the job, we've got you covered. We're proud to serve our Rockford community with honest, affordable, and reliable waste removal services. Our clear pricing ensures you always know what to expect, no hidden fees, no surprises. Customer satisfaction drives us, and we go the extra mile to ensure you get top-quality service from start to finish. We also take care to place dumpsters safely and neatly, protecting your property and providing peace of mind. If you're ready for a better way to handle cleanup, call ASAP Dumpsters and Demo at 779-275-0601. We're here to help you take out the trash, the easy way. Let's make your next project cleaner, faster, and easier.